Hello guys, this is Andy again from MOONCAKE Visuals. And in today's video we're going to talk about dynamics. Dynamics is pretty much the system used for now. It's used to hide and show dynamically those elements, but in future releases it's going to be tied to dynamic elements that has animation. So for example, animated screens, doors, so stuff like that. AR, augmented reality elements, a lot of stuff. Um, if you go to live control here, you see no interaction created. This is where you're gonna control your dynamics when they are created. So first and first, let's start by creating a dynamic for this task. It's like I wanna show and hide dynamically without without deleting it. It's like, okay, I'm live. I just wanna hide it. This is how you do it. So the first thing, we need to set a name here for our element. The name cannot be like element, cannot be element. It has to be name. I already changed the name for all these dynamics, for these dynamic elements. So I'm gonna add dynamic, and we have no group and have no group. Dynamic can be grouped. It means that you can have multiple elements in a single trigger or single dynamic, which is pretty much no group. I'm gonna create no group, add, and you see here now in dynamics we have desk A. If I go here, you see I have this takeout button. If I click on that, it's gonna be out. So you can see it. I can just toggle it. So now if I go back to my style and I'm gonna select this tall screen, I'm gonna add dynamic and I'm gonna create a new group called tall screens. I'm gonna click on add. Now I have tall screens. I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna add dynamic. I'm gonna add to the tall screens group. I'm gonna add it. As you can see, they are grouped. I'm gonna create a new one for this curved screen. This is gonna be no group. So now I have curved screen. And I'm gonna create a new one for this white screen. So no group, white screen. As you can see, this in dynamics means they are single. I mean, they are not group. So if I go back to my live control, I have tall screen, which are pretty much group. You can see it. So if I take them out, they will disappear. Take them in, they will appear. Desk, take out, take in. Curved screen, take out, take in. White screen, take out, take in. There you go. So now if you want to remove something from a group or remove a dynamic, for example, if I remove, let me remove the tall screen B, for example, from this group. Now if I trigger this out, you're only going to trigger this one. But for example, if I want to have a curved screen in tall screens group, for example, I can add it. And if I take this out, you see, it automatically updates its own trigger here. So I'm gonna take them in. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take this out, all out. So you can delete dynamics from here. Yeah. So this is pretty much how dynamics work in the UEVS. If you like the video, please subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, and see you in the next time.